My name is Viacheslav Artyushenko. I'm with academic background, but doing spin-off from academic life to business in 1988. So a company named Photonics, and we are in biggest technology park of Germany, in Adlershof in Berlin. I think, especially for this show, we are manufacturer of bridges, flexible fiber bridges between any body spectrometer, spectral sensor, to the end user, to the manufacturer of benzene, manufacturer of food, like milk analysis, what else. So, and this is done with flexible delivery at distances, where customer could never bring samples and measure, because this is common spectroscopy method. But it's always that simple. You take it from the process, you measure, but process runs. Maybe process is already over or wrong. And we go with our fiber optic probes anywhere. Reactor with high pressure, high temperature, aggressive or toxic components, vibrations, everything which is possible to measure in line, we help to these end users. I have devoted my life, I should say, to the new part of fiber optics. It's a specialty fiber optics which works in mid-infrared range. All the silica fibers which are used for telecom, for other applications, for spectroscopy as well, are limited to 2 microns. I develop fiber optics which is from 2 microns up to 16. And this is so-called fingerprint region, so-called in molecular spectroscopy. Thus, today we are the best in manufacturing of ATIR probes. And our mid-infrared, we name it polycrystalline infrared fibers, are really manufactured from the background. So, growth of crystals, manufacturing of preforms in vacuum, extrusion of the fibers and assembly of the probes up to the applications. So that's why in mid-infrared spectroscopy, this is our major achievement, which differ our company from anybody else in the world. You can find other manufacturers of fiber optic probes, but almost all of them are focused on spectroscopy probes made from silica fibers. And silica fibers, as I already mentioned, limited from UV to near-infrared. We are the broadest in spectra. We really manufacture any kind of probe, from UV, from 300 nanometers up to 16 microns, and they are used for any type of spectroscopy: absorption, reflection, fluorescence, Raman scattering. So that's why we are the supplier, vendor of the broadest range fiber optic solutions for spectroscopy. Yeah, I have a dream. And this dream is not only to make bridges, to be B2B supplier of bridges for spectrometer manufacturers or for end user. We are really doing more and more steps to the future sensors, spectral sensors, which will be not for $20,000 or $100,000 cost. It will be small sensors, palm size or even smaller, and then these sensors will be used with fiber optics when you could not measure something in reactor without fiber optics. An advantage of these sensors, and we really share even booth with our partner who developed this sensor, like Mother Nature, like I. And then data from this sensor goes in cloud and in real time goes to gadget. So that's why the future will be that spectral fiber sensors will be like Internet of Things. But this Internet of Things will help you to see what's going on at milk plant in India or at sugar plant in Cuba. And you are here, sitting in Munich and drinking beer, just opening your, because IP address of your sensor is in your gadget. So this is the future. And here, great volume, it will change the life of all of us, even for housewife. That's it.